In this video, we'll go over iotex. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, iotex to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is iotex? Starting as an open-source project in 2017, iotex has built a decentralized platform whose aim is to empower the open economics for machines, an open ecosystem where people and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and under properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 research scientists and engineers, iotex has built their EVM-compatible blockchain from scratch using the innovative Roll DPS consensus, and launched in 2019 April, which has been running by 100+ delegates worldwide and has processed more than 10 million transactions already. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. iotex is the decentralized backbone for machine economics, which serves machines ranging from smart home devices to autonomous vehicles. To this end, iotex has built and launched a fast, high-performance, and EVM-compatible blockchain that provides flexibility and scalability for various applications. Also, middlewares and dApps are built on top of the blockchain to bring self-sovereign devices and real-world oracles into reality. iotex is the native coin that governs the underlying blockchain protocol while being used as the gas for the blockchain protocol. Burndrop is a unique economical design that leads to deflation of iotex while the number of devices orchestrated by iotex increases. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 44 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.